Kejap ya. Okay. Kejap I buka cam. I have to open my cam.
Okay, it's okay, it's okay.
Where problem? I don't know where is it. Okay.
Halo, Dr. Chuan. Wow.
Right, first
It
time.
looks great.
Yeah. Okay.
Yeah. Good afternoon, Dr. Chuan.
Okay.
Okay. It's been an honor for me to have you in this meeting. And first of all, I have to say sorry for disturbing your time. Okay.
Never mind. It's okay.
Okay, I know you're busy. Okay.
And actually, today's Malaysians Johor is holidays.
Oh,
We're
really?
working from Sunday to Thursday. Friday.
Oh, so sorry.
Never mind. It's okay. Never mind. It's okay. Just a few minutes. It's okay. Okay.
Okay, yeah. Okay. I think I make sure it will not too long. We just want to know that the real condition of our students and maybe possibility of the next year, next semester program. Yeah.
Okay. So far, I only received positive feedback from the lecturer. I
Okay.
can say that they attend the class, but some of your students maybe they have others class at the same time. But
Oh.
they will refer to the recorded video as well, also after that, because every lecture and every class, the lecturer will record the video, so the student will will look back the recorded video. Also, I think most of the lecturers said that the students from Indonesia are very good
Oh.
because
Okay.
your students never disturb lecturer out of office hours, 8 to
Oh.
5. Okay, but
Okay. Okay.
our local student always disturb us at night.
Oh,
uh,
really?
that's why they say your Indonesian student is very good in terms of this lah. But I don't know how about students. Do you face any problems, especially during the lecture? For
Okay.
example, in okay,
Okay. Please, continue.
okay,
Oh yeah. So far for this program for UTH for this semester, fortunately I didn't receive like serious problems, and then it's really much different from the previous semesters. Okay.
oh, what?
Yeah, the previous we got a lot of problems previous semester
Yeah, I know. Yeah.
related with a lot of issues. So fortunately, this semester is very very smooth. Everything runs very well. Thank you so much for your assistance,
Yes.
Dr. Chuan. Okay,
Okay.
I don't know what's going on, and it's getting much better. And I like
Okay.
180 degree. So
Because
if,
we already changed the coordinator, and also for this time I select the best lecturer for the faculty, because last time maybe
oh,
the lecture is random, but
oh,
this
I
time
see.
best lecturers.
I get
Okay.
it.
How about student? Do you face any problem during the class?
Yeah, hi students. Ada Kusnindar, Finda Ayu, or Rifki. You can use English totally, or you can mix with Indonesia or Melayu
Indonesia.
language ya. Tak
Yes.
apa lah ya.
Bahasa Indonesia saya pun paham.
Okay, UTHM is located in Johor, Pak ya.
Yes, Johor.
In Johor. Okay, okay. Hopefully, we can visit there offline after this pandemic. Yeah, after the pandemic is really fine because at the end, just before the COVID-19, the end of 2019, we visited Malaysia, Pak. We bringing around 21 students and 8 lecturers, including our dean, vice deans,
Ah,
and uh, uh, and some leaders from the how to say from
administration level.
the rectorate. Yeah,
Ah,
yeah. So it's really fun. We visited. Yeah, because we bring students. We visited embassy in Kuala Lumpur in KL, and then we visited also UMK. At that time, we just making MOU with UMK.
it's very far, MK.
Yeah.
Very
Then
far from Kuala Lumpur.
we flight from KL to UMK. Then from UMK we
Like,
visit Thailand, and then
ah,
we go back through Singapore, so we visit 3 countries. Okay.
Oh, good.
Bringing some students. So hopefully later on, if the pandemic is over, we will intend to visit your university as well.
But before that, we never have MOU, is it? I have to check in
Yeah.
my system
Mhm.
because I think University Islam Malang, right?
Yeah.
I think we are already very familiar with University Islam Malang.
Yeah,
So I
yeah.
think we already have MOU, but I have to check back the MOU whether it's expired or not.
Okay.
Uh,
So
but for
I think I have received the MOU between university and university, but mostly we are following with MOA, right?
yes,
Okay, so we didn't sign for the MOA.
yes.
Okay, for the MOU we have signed. So we later on we will sign the further for MOA. But fortunately, although we didn't have officially MOA, but we have do it for 2 semesters. Yeah, okay. You
Yes,
should
but
have said
never mind. We are welcoming every institute. So I think for the next semester, we
Mhm.
have to list out the subject that we
Oh,
will
okay.
offer for mobility because we still don't know yet. We will conduct the class physically or online because
Oh,
the situation is quite fluctuated in Malaysia.
uh,
So the
okay.
ministry haven't decided yet whether
Mm.
the class will be conducted online or virtual or physicals. But most probably will be in physicals.
Oh,
Most
most
probably.
properly. Okay.
Yes. Mm.
Actually, we will open for maybe if it is possible. I don't know. We don't know. But if it's still online, we will also offer for the mobility program for the next semester, Pak. Hopefully, the student from UTHM also join the program.
If online, I think we will join. Okay, I
Yeah.
will try to advertise to my students. Okay,
Okay.
but first of all, you have to give me the subject that you
Sure,
offer,
sure.
and also together with the lesson plans. Because
Yeah.
last semester and last 2 semester, we never evaluate the lesson plan because for
Okay.
the credit transfer, we need
Mhm.
to have 80% similarity in terms of lesson plan.
Oh, yeah.
Yes.
Okay. This is very, very good feedback, Dr.
Mhm.
John. Okay. Ya. Uh, Oke, thank you. Teman-teman, mungkin ada yang mau tanya. Oke, Vinda, Rifki, and Erdila.
Boleh tanya sahaja dapat
Oke,
bahasa Indonesia.
boleh tanya
Saya
sahaja.
cuba faham. Cuba fahamkan.
Okay. You can use English or Indonesian.
Indonesia, I can understand a bit.
Okay.
Don't worry.
Then I can translate it. No
It's
worry.
very similar to Bahasa Malaysia, right?
Yeah. Are you speaking Melayu?
Yes.
Oh, speaking Melayu. Okay.
Most of the time is Bahasa Melayu and English
Oh.
lah. Of course, Mandarin. Mandarin is my mother tongue. Okay.
Oh, your mother tongue is Mandarin.
Hmm?
So your mother tongue is Mandarin.
Yes, my mother tongue is Mandarin.
Oh.
Bahasa Melayu and Bahasa English is my second language lah.
Oh, I see. So, were you born in Malay or in China?
I born in Malaysia, but
Oh,
my parents is Chinese.
oh, your parents is
Most
Chinese.
of them are Chinese.
Most of them are Chinese. Okay, ni hao.
Yeah, now.
I just know very little about
But
Mandarin.
actually, my dean actually asked me to plan for outbound, physical outbound. So
Ah, that's
if
great.
possible, if the situation is allowed, we will try to send students to University Islam Malang lah for the
Oh, yeah.
outbound mobility. They will stay there for 1 semester. We will let them stay there.
Okay. Yeah,
Anything you
yeah.
need your help to control them and to
Okay.
solve.
Sure. It will be fun. Okay. And it's interesting. So hopefully we can also send the students to UTHM physically later on.
Yeah.
Okay.
I will. Student, any question or any feedback?
Ya, feedback teman-teman gimana rasanya selama kuliah di UTHM? Vinda, Vinda Ayu, halo, Vinda.
Yes, sir.
Hi, Finda.
What do you feel during studying in UTHM?
Very new experience for me.
Okay.
Ini campur-campur bahasanya.
Ya, tak apa.
memang campur-campur.
Memang campur-campur lah.
Yeah, it's a new experience for me.
Mhm.
That's a different system too.
Okay, different system.
Yes. So I must harus adaptasi lagi tentang perkuliahan di Malaysia seperti apa, terus
Okay.
tentang lecture-lecturenya juga, terus tentang pengerjaan tugasnya juga gitu.
Okay. Okay, so like homework or a task from the lecturers, is it different? Beda nggak? Apa bedanya di UTM sama di Unisma?
You teach them more easier, more harder.
Or harder? Lebih susah apa lebih gampang? Vinda?
Sebenarnya similar sih.
Okay, similar. Okay.
Similar. Okay.
Okay,
Tapi
okay.
cuma karena saya dengan teman-teman lain juga sekarang semester akhir, jadi lebih susah untuk manage waktunya.
Oh, manage waktu. Okay, okay, okay.
You
Get it, get it.
do you get any new friends from Malaysia?
Yes, I got several friends.
From Malaysia. Okay.
Okay. I think you need to visit them ya. And visit Pak Chuan later on. Okay. Yeah. I think it is still very possible, yeah. If we are visiting Malaysia, because previously we have visited Malaysia and it ran very well, and I think it's still very affordable. Visit Malaysia because it's quite close by. But I don't know after COVID. I don't know. Maybe there are a lot of procedures. Okay, like a bit complicated. Maybe I don't know.
Yes, we still don't know when it will be ended.
The same, like Indonesia is still like sometimes fluctuated, but it's much better now. How if in Malaysia?
Currently, I think I cannot say it's controllable because the Omicron is coming.
Omicron, yeah. Okay.
Yes, we already have the first case of Omicron last week or last
Oh,
month.
so sorry to hear that. Okay.
And our nearby country, for example, like Singapore, already have, I think, 3 or 4 cases of Omicron.
Omicron, yeah.
And we are linked to each other, you know.
Yeah.
We go to Singapore. That's why we are very, I think it's a hard time for us now. Try to prevent the Omicron to come across to Malaysia.
Yeah. So, do you close the border? I mean, the Malaysia closing the border?
Now yes, we can cross the border already. That is the problems.
The problem, yes. Okay. Yeah, we still don't know also whether next semester will be totally offline or hybrid. Yeah.
You still don't know yet, right?
Yeah, we still don't know yet. The current issue is hybrid learning, which is like some students will be in the classroom and some are online.
Oh, if like this, good, and then we can send a lot of students for the mobility.
Yeah. Still, it's still available, I think.
Because the problem is the cost of the flight ticket, cost of accommodations. But if online learning, basically we can save a lot of the money.
Yes. Yeah. Actually, Dr. Chen, maybe we can also make such kind of this program. Previously, I've ever taught in Prince of Songkla University in Phuket, for 1 year. Then after that, I moved to Unisma. Then we initiate now between Unisma and Prince of Songkla University, Phuket campus, to later on make some such kind of program. Yeah, like one program, some students will be joining online first. Then in the end of the semester, we can visit offline, just like directly to the business and then the final project. So maybe it is only around half a month or only even maybe it's possible is 1 week just to make sure to visit tourism and then knowing the industry. Although it's moment because maybe it can cut the cost of living or something else. Maybe later on we can collaborate in that method.
It's more to summer school camp.
Yeah, summer school campus.
This one is mobility program is we should involve some subject.
But
the one is summer school camp, but it's very good exposure to our student as well. I think we can conduct this kind of program.
Yeah, sure.
I visited Songkran University before that.
Okay.
Hat Yai, is it? Hat Yai or Phuket?
Oh, there are 5 campuses, right? Hat Yai campus, yeah, Patani. Yeah. Okay.
Patani, okay. I only visited the Hat Yai one.
Hat Yai, yeah, the biggest is in Hat Yai.
Quite big, yes.
Yeah. Okay.
So
Okay.
any feedback from students?
Oke, ada lagi mungkin yang dari yang cowok, Muhammad Izul Haq. Halo, Izul.
Yeah.
Oke, how is your feedback during studying in UTHM? Ya, mumpung ada Dr. Chuan nih, so then you can,
Bagi
okay.
tahu saja.
Yeah, Barita. Okay. If there is any feedback, so it can improve the quality of the process of the mobility program.
When I was studying in University of Tunusen, I'm getting something significant that I never see in Unisma.
Oh, okay.
And then I can develop my speaking to better than before. Maybe just that for me.
Okay. What is the most different, Izul?
From learning and teaching.
Learning
Sometimes in Unisma, Pardon me, sir?
Ya, gimana? Pembelajaran di kampus sama di UTHM bedanya apa? Yang paling kelihatan?
Apa bezanya?
Apa bezanya ya?
We always do assignment. We always do assignment when we get class sometimes.
Oh, okay.
And we never get presentation from the college and the teacher only the teacher that taught us about the lesson.
Oh, itu kalau di
THM.
THM. Oke. Ya, oke. Thank you.
Okay.
This is the feedback. Oke, yang lain mungkin Rafika? Halo Rafika? Oh, I don't know. Maybe there is problem. Kusnindar?
Yes, sir.
Okay, can you give us a feedback for this program?
I think I need negative feedback.
Yeah.
Do you have any negative feedback? Because positive sometimes is not really sincere. Okay, maybe it's just
Yeah.
I
Sure.
feedback is very important to me. Because,
For me too.
Yeah.
Kusnindar?
You want to condemn or you want to comment? Just don't worry, I will not tell you.
Okay. Ya, Kusnindar gimana feedbacknya? Negatif feedback nggak apa-apa, itu akan helpful katanya Pak.
In UTHM, I think the lesson are very fun, and the lecturer always asks if we understand or not. And for the language, I think it's clear, even some, but I think we still can understand about it. And if there are attacks, in Unisma, we always discussion with a student from Unisma, and sometimes we ask our classmates and UTHM. I think nothing problem so far.
Oke, ada negatif feedbacknya nggak?
Negative feedback. Ada kelemahan. Is it kelemahan, Sam?
Ya. Oke. Weakness. Oke. Ada weaknessnya nggak?
I think no, sir.
Oh, really?
So far, nothing.
What subject you are taking now?
Sorry?
What subject you are taking now?
Creativity and innovation.
Okay, good.
That's fun.
Supposedly is another lecturer teach you, but the lecturer is not very good in quality. That's why I changed the lecturer to another one.
Oh,
not that good. But I change the high quality lecturer for this subject.
Okay. Yeah. Other maybe do you have any suggestion or feedback?
Me, sir, Rafika.
Oh, Rafika, okay.
Yes, trouble.
Okay.
I think when first time I joined study in UTHM, so the lectures taught us about the theory first, then practice, and practice. And I think this is very helpful to improve our skills and talent by this practice during the lesson. So I think this is my fault because sometimes I always forget about the time. About the time. Yes,
Okay.
yeah. In Indonesia is 1 hour earlier than Malaysian. That's
Yeah,
why
I know.
yes, sometimes I forget about the time. That is.
Okay, Rafika, thank you.
But never mind. You can refer back to the recorded video, right? The lecture is recording, right? For every lecture.
Oh yes, yeah.
Yes.
Okay.
But in University Islam Malang, Unisma, I think,
Mhm.
your lecture is delivered in Bahasa Indonesia or English. Because for mobility program, I think the lecturer should deliver the lecture in English, right?
Yeah, sure. So in my faculty in FEB Unisma, there are two. I mean, we divided now. There are two types of classes. There is a regular classes and there is international classes. So the mobility program will be in the international classes, which is the lecturers will teach the students using English.
And then will they mix with your students? I mean, during the class. Okay, because
So it will be combined between our students and the student from mobility programs, and they are in the international class programs.
okay, because for this time, your student actually is mixed with local students. Last time is we opened a new section for mobility student. But for this
Oh,
time, no. The dean
okay.
said must mix all your student with our local student.
It's much better. Then we can exchange the cultures and so many aspects. Yeah, later on, we will also design that the students from Indonesia and Malaysia or maybe other countries gathering in one class. So the cultures and insights they can share, like international class maybe in USA or in other countries.
Yeah, sure.
Okay. Pak Chuan, in the previous semester, there are like quite many students from my faculty joining the mobility programs, but they didn't receive any certificate of joining the program. Is it possible for them to receive the certificate as a
Last semester or last second semester?
last semester?
Last semester, okay.
Last semester, yeah, last semester.
Okay, because then I will refer to the admin office.
Okay.
Certificates. Okay. But I think I sent to who last time. But never I check again with the admin office.
Okay. Thank you.
But for this semester, this will not happen again.
I trust it. Okay. I trust it. Okay, so actually I need to learn a lot from you because you can manage it very well.
No.
Outstanding, really, yeah. Yeah. I feel it because previously I faced the first project of UTHM. I involved there, and the second now with you, I feel the difference. I can feel the difference, really difference. Yeah. Okay.
Maybe we can collaborate more for events.
Yeah.
Event or any summer school.
Okay, sure. We will try to conduct. Hopefully, we can conduct as soon as possible, Mbak. Ada lagi mungkin dari teman-teman? Any other feedbacks? Okay. So, ada ya? Yeah, actually, if Indonesia and Malaysia, it will not very difficult because some of us also understand Malay language because For me myself, I often watch Upin Ipin, so I so I think we can still understanding the languages. Okay, and some Melayu songs now is happening in Indonesia, like covered by Indonesian singer, and it's get like millions of views. So I think we can understand the Malay language very easily.
Last time I went to, I think it's Riau, Riau
Oh,
or
Riau. Yeah, Riau.
which is 100% similar to the Bahasa
Yeah,
Melayu.
yeah.
We can
They
connect to each other.
Okay, because they speak Melayu.
Oh, they speak
It's
Melayu.
just like Riau, Aceh. It's very they speak Melayu. So the language is really much closer to Malay language.
Yeah.
But if you visit Jawa, like Java and Bali and some other places, maybe the dialect will be different.
Yeah. Yeah, I went to Bali before that.
Oh, how many times?
The nicest place I visited.
Really? If you visit Malang, we can travel Malang first, then you can continue visiting Bali.
Is it very near Malang with the Bali?
No, really near.
Really near.
Okay, but mostly most of students visiting in Indonesia, they take times to visit Bali because
Yes, Bali is the
if it is
best.
flight, it is. Now we have a highway, so it's gonna become like faster now. So I think we can use like travel. Some hours. Yeah, for several hours we can arrive Bali.
Okay. I think I want to visit Malang first.
Yeah, because like for example, some dean or vice deans from PSU previously visited visit Unisma and then visit Bromo Mountains and then visit Bali also. Yeah, so not only visit but directly holiday. Visit and holiday also. Okay, mostly we also accompany some guests from foreign countries to visit around Malang. If visiting Malang, we will provide accommodation and other things.
Okay, good.
Okay. So, thank you, Dr. Chuan. Thank you very much. I'm so sorry for taking your time.
Okay, no worry. It's just a 30 minutes.
Okay. So if you have any requests or any other things, please tell us. And I'm processing your request now. I'm asking for the lectures. Should it be translated first to English, or is it okay with Bahasa?
It will be back. It will be back to English.
Okay, it will be better in English.
Okay.
So we need time also to process the language also. So I'm so sorry. I need to tell you that maybe it's not really fast because in the end of the year there are a lot of programs. I mean, like seminar, webinars, other programs. So because it is the closing of reports and other things there. So there are a lot of programs. This morning we have just finished the program for students also. And on Monday we have another program. Okay, so that's a lot of programs. Very busy, yeah. Okay, thank you very much for Dr. Lee Tae Chuan from the UTHM, and then also thank you for Ibu Rahmawati, and then for the other students joining this meeting. Thank you very much for the time and good luck. If you have anything, please tell me or directly tell Dr. Chuan. Everything will be okay.
Please tell me directly also, never mind.
Okay.
If you have any problem, if the lecturer not enter the class, lecturer give you a low mark, please tell me. I will try to negotiate with them.
Okay. I think you are the master. Okay, Dr. Chuan. So thank you so much. See you in another occasion. Hopefully, we can do like some kind of LOA, if it is possible. Okay, we'll wait at the end of this year or maybe in the beginning of next year.
Sure.
Okay, thank you so much again. And I'm so sorry for any mistakes or problem during the meeting. Hopefully, everything will be okay and run very well. Okay, thank you so much. Goodbye.
Thank you everyone. See you
Cheers.
on. Bye bye. Puyang
See
Kechi.
you. Okay. See you.
Okay. Bye bye.
Oke, bye-bye. Oke, teman-teman, gimana? Kalau ada keluh kesah, disampaikan aja ya, teman-teman ya. Thank you, Kusnindar, Vinda, Rifki, Erdila, Izul ya, Rafika, Beni, Bu Rahma, makasih juga. Cepet-cepetin Bu Rahma ya, walaupun perjalanan ke angkasa katanya. Masih cepet-cepetin ikut meeting ya. Oke. Baik, itu aja teman-teman. Terima kasih banyak. Kalau ini nanti bisa di join di grup. Oke, for your information, next semester saya nggak tahu ya apa boleh apa nggak yang udah ikut di UTHM. But ini akan ada, nggak tahu kalian udah dapat info apa belum, akan ada seleksi untuk yang ke Filipina semester depan dan seleksinya bulan ini. Oke, terima kasih banyak kalian. Oh ya, saya harus informasikan kalau bisa teman-teman silakan persiapkan TOEFL-nya. Jadi kayak case sekarang ada kesempatan dari OJK gitu, banyak yang tergendala TOEFL. Kalau kalian TOEFL-nya bagus, kalian udah punya pengalaman di luar negeri, maka kesempatan kalian kerja di perusahaan-perusahaan bagus, bergaji tinggi, berkarir bagus itu lebih tinggi. Oke, so semangat terus. Persiapkan TOEFL-nya juga. Karena itu penting banget ternyata untuk saat sekarang dijadikan syarat untuk masuk di lembaga-lembaga yang bonafide. Ya. Oke, thank you very much for your time. See you. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Waalaikumsalam warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
LN, oke. LN.